Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Tim Hortons Vanilla Ice Latte. So you can see it's kind of it's separated here, and I didn't know you could actually get iced lattes at Tim Hortons, but I asked and they can, so I'm excited to report they got them. And I like vanilla iced lattes most. Caramel's kind of good too, but vanilla is always superior, I feel, in terms of flavor. But let's see how this all tastes. It's got a very coffee taste there. Let's see if I can get this to mix without creating a huge mess. Because it is really good, but it's really bitter. I want to get a nice, accurate representation of what this tastes like mixed. Probably would have mixed it after the video if I just drank it normally, so I'll pour this in. You guys know how it tastes. Still kind of separated near the bottom, but that's all right. Wow, it's a lot better now. Doesn't taste as much like coffee or like bitter coffee, and more of a sweet vanilla creation. So, wow, yeah, mix these up. Some people do drink them just the way they are, but I think it's best to get the full flavor in every sip rather than have two different drinks together. And no one wants to drink just a bunch of cream at the bottom. So mixed it up and it tastes a lot better. Now this does taste very much like their vanilla iced coffee, and it makes sense because Tim Hortons doesn't, I didn't know they had this. This isn't advertised on the menu. It's very similar to their normal coffees, so it might be something that is worth trying out. But if you like the vanilla iced coffee, you're probably not going to see a big difference in taste compared to this. Usually an iced latte compared to an iced coffee is somewhat considered the same, but in this time you can't really tell the difference too much between the two of them, so there's that. It is good though. It tastes a lot like their vanilla sweetener or vanilla cream that they put in their stuff. And it's good. That's all you can say. It tastes really flavorful. You're getting both the coffee taste and a vanilla taste, so it's fairly decent. I'd give the iced vanilla latte from Tim Hortons an 8 out of 10. It tastes pretty much like the vanilla iced coffee, as I said, but a little tiny bit different. It's got the latte flavor, I guess. So yeah, pretty good, but very similar. If you already get the vanilla iced coffee, probably just stick with that. Or if you want to feel adventurous, try it out and see if there's any difference for you. This might just be the one that I got, or maybe they gave me a vanilla iced coffee. I don't know. But thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.